I am filming this as I am filming the outro as well, but welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're working on the R6. We're gonna be doing some well-needed maintenance as well as trying to tackle this idle issue. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you guys saw in that last clip, the bike actually goes over 200 degrees, which is great. The fans also kicked on. I didn't get a clip of that, but they did kick on at 205. Not really sure what's going on. I thought it was a voltage issue at first, clear the codes, let the bike run, let it kill itself. Something's gonna happen. Nothing happened. It actually worked fine. It just has a super bouncy idle. So the next thing that I think it's gonna be is the spark plugs. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much take this entire bike apart. I'm gonna check the plugs, see if that's what the issue is. Maybe the gap is messed up, or maybe, it's just done with its lifetime, whatever it is. It's almost at 10,000 miles, the bike. So I'm also going to change the air filter as well as use my multimeter and check if the ignition coils or the coil packs are in good shape. And regardless, I'm gonna take this whole thing apart. Just managed to get the tank off, which is right there, airbox off. We can see the throttle bodies right here, and it looks like the previous owner did put a different filter on here. This is good to see. Now it's time to take all of this stuff apart and get to our spark plugs. So I went ahead and pulled all 4 ignition coils out. I'll throw a screenshot up right here showing you guys what the resistance is, and these seem okay. They're completely fine. Not in the best condition, but they're not like beat up or anything, so they're good. So we knocked out 2 things. Air filter, all good. Ignition coils, all good. Throttle bodies are fairly clean too. I have them taped up right now, but I'll show you guys that when I'm cleaning them. As of right now, it's just gonna be the spark plugs. Fingers crossed this is our issue. If not, I know what it could be, and I think it's our valves, but I just wanna knock all this stuff out first and then see if it's our valves. Let's get these spark plugs out. Also wanted to show you guys something. This bike already came with the block-off plates for the smog. There's one right there and one right there, which is kind of cool because I saw this harness was unplugged. I got nervous. I was like, is that our issue? Turns out previous owner already did the block off plates, which is super nice. Wanted to quickly show you guys how dirty these throttle bodies are. All that gross stuff. I don't know if this would cause it. It's worth a shot cleaning it, It is the next day. It is Saturday. I pretty much didn't have the tools to do the spark plug that night, but let me show you what I used and let me show you what the spark plugs look like. I used an extension and then one of these bendy extensions that I got from Home Depot, and then 5/8 or 16 millimeter deep socket. This is a spark plug socket, but you can use whatever. This helped me a ton because this socket, the spark plug socket, unfortunately isn't magnetic. This is, and so I pretty much undid it with this, picked it up with this, and then it worked fine. But let me show you the spark plugs themselves. Here's all the spark plugs. I want to say this could have been our issue all along. Only time will tell when I put it back together. Fingers crossed that this solves our issue because these spark plugs look pretty freaking bad. Here's what the new plug looks like. Definitely a lot better from the old ones. Now let me put this all back together and let's fire her up. So as you guys saw, none of that fixed anything. We did spark plugs, air filter, throttle body cleaning, all of that, and we still have an idle issue. So what I'm gonna conclude it to is the valves. The valves are out of spec and I need to rip apart the entire bike to get to that. But before I did any of that, I wanted to test these 3 things out and see what was going on. Unfortunately, it didn't work. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Probably gonna do the valves off camera and do a similar style video, so we'll see. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.